Kisangsan partai gejala kebadan lang hapok sarkar MDA 2. Hagalai trek ujeliau arhajar arpun riau de kowe kejingmut kilarai bat menjer ban peniang du James PK Sangma kumu kertong ke MDA menekun ke election MP Syaka Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya. Kinong ilam jog kisangsan partai nak NPP, UDP, HSPDP, BJP kletai sani bat kadu kadwai ke menjer ban peniang du James PK Sangma ubadi unong ilam keseng NPP bat men jong menteri rang ba gejala u Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Habai kram bagi pathai kubor hadian belawai ke jingelang jo ke MDA 2 u secretary ka parliamentary party ke MDA 2 ba polling do ulong ba ke jingelang ke latai thik tang hak bedai bagi election MP Syaka Rajya Sabha ba de ke jingmut kinong ngelam ke MDA ke larai bat menjer ke kerteng u James PK Sangma ku Kyrtong uba polling do ulong ba ke jingelang jan barok kisangsan partai ke terwai lagi jong ki Kyrtong ndai namar ke jing bamyo ke jing menjur lang kum tala pediang ba la menjur da barok ya ke jing terwa da ke kerteng uni-unong yalam ka NPP. Uba poleng do ulu pentip bu James PK Sangma uni bentap kerteng ha kesan terik menta ujelio benikun ki election. Ban chupin kan mau ki election MP Syaka Rajya Sabha kan long ha ka kat pra terik menta ujelio ba ke jingyo gi vote ru kan long ha kan ke jo hi kesni.
So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the MDA 2 were briefed about the election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026, and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state president of the NPP. 2. In the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the MDA 2. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties, and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is, the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James P.K. Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the MDA 2. 5. However, respecting the wishes of the various constituent members of the MDA to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest / support / stay neutral / stay away from the above by-election.
So therefore, since we have all the constituents of the MDA here today, as mentioned in the resolution, that different political parties have expressed their desire to have their representative from their party as the nominee for the Rajya Sabha, and detailed discussions took place. That's why we took a lot of time. Detailed discussion took place, but at the end, since we could not come up with a consensus on different desires by different political parties, we came to a consensus, and we have all agreed together that we will go as per the kind of democratic process and allow the largest party's nominee to be backed. And therefore, the fact that all the political parties who are present today, as you can see, all are present, have formally agreed to that. And therefore, the question of the whip coming in any other way does not arise. If the whip does come in, it will come in the language that the particular political parties' MLAs will support the candidature, which is the MDA 2's candidature. And I think what is important to note is that the candidature which we're proposing now is not a political party's candidature, but now this has been adopted as a resolution as the MDA 2's candidate.